How to use Workplace Accident Compensation Guide properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Workplace accidents happen more often than you think, but many employees make mistakes that reduce their compensation. The surprising truth is that small errors during the claims process can cost thousands in benefits. The first mistake is failing to report the accident promptly. Most states require immediate notification to your employer. Delays can jeopardize your eligibility for workers' compensation. Another common error is not documenting your injuries and the accident scene. Take photos, collect witness statements, and keep medical records. These details strengthen your claim and prevent disputes. Many people underestimate medical follow-ups. Consistent treatment shows the severity of your injury. Skipping appointments or not following medical advice can signal to insurers that your injuries are minor. A surprising mistake is ignoring workplace safety regulations. If the employer violated safety protocols, it can increase your settlement. Research OSHA or local workplace safety rules to ensure your claim reflects negligence. Finally, beginners often try to handle negotiations alone. Insurance adjusters know the law and may pressure you into accepting less. Using a compensation guide or legal advice helps you understand your rights and ensures a fair settlement. To properly use a workplace accident compensation guide, report incidents promptly, document thoroughly, follow medical advice, understand safety laws, and seek expert help. This approach protects your benefits and ensures maximum compensation.